Hi, I'm Naim.
And I'm Judy. Welcome to Labtech Engineering.
We are really excited to show you our ball beam line Mark II, integrated with our single screw recycling extruder. Trust me, this is something special we really want to share with you.
What's great about this system is how it combines film making and plastic recycling in one compact unit. It's perfect for lab and small production facilities where space matters. Beyond that, Labtech has specifically designed this line for the Asian market, offering a more affordable price point while maintaining our blown film standard. With this system, we ensure that you'll achieve stable film output without any issues. Now, let me walk you through the main parts of the blown film Mark II. We have the recycling extruder, the control panel, and the blown film unit. Let's explore the features of these components, and I think you'll really find the design impressive. First up is the single screw recycling extruder. This unit processes plastic waste into reusable materials. It can handle flakes and shredded plastics and works great with common recycling materials like PET, LDPE, PP, nylon, and PLA.
Our extruder comes with screw size ranging from 16mm to 30mm, allowing you to select the perfect capacity for your production needs. The standard LD ratio is 25, which works excellently for common recycling material. For applications requiring longer material processing time, we also offer an LD ratio of 30. Labtech also provides an optional mixing screw, which is designed to enhance the blending of multicolor recycled plastic, ensuring a more consistent final product.
The line also features a user-friendly control panel with a touchscreen interface, which is an option for the blown film Mark II. The panel can be adjusted vertically and offers tilt and pan functions to perfectly match your eye level, providing ergonomic comfort during your operation. The touchscreen makes it super easy to control all your settings, temperatures, pressures, speeds, everything you need.
Now, let's look at the ball beam tower. The Mark II design features an aluminum profile center column that supports all ball beam components. It is lightweight, but it's really sturdy and helps to keep whole machine compact.
And over here are the guide rows. All the rows are 250mm wide, accommodating films of up to 200mm in lay flat width. You can adjust the line speed of up to 25 meters per minute, giving you total control over your film thickness and its properties.
What truly distinguishes this line is the dual functionality. It is not just standalone ball beam system. It allows you to recycle plastic waste and immediately convert it into a new film production in one continuous process, or use its units separately. It's totally fixable.
Using this machine is pretty straightforward. First, we heat up the extruder to the proper processing temperature. Once heated, we can begin feeding the plastic waste material into the hopper of the recycling extruder. The materials can either be flakes or shredded plastic.
For the ball beam process, the polymer travels through the extruder where it's melted and through the limit. It then exits through the annular die, forming a tube shape. We introduce air through the central of the die to inflate the tube. You can control the bubble diameter by adjusting the amount of inner air. Meanwhile, the air ring surrounding the die provides cooling air that helps solidify the bubble into its final shapes.
To keep the bubble stable as it moves upward, we use this adjustable bubble guide which easily adapts to different bubble sizes. Each guide arm is made from non-stick material for smooth contact that prevents surface defects on your film. Next, the bubble passes through this collapsing frame where it is flattened and pulled through the hull of unit. Finally, the film passes through these guide rows before winding onto the winder. And that completes the process.
The system offers numerous advantages for research and education. You can develop regular plastic packaging film, sustainable packaging solution, test recycled material formulation, control quality of recycled polymer, and create educational demonstrations.
The budget-friendly design makes sustainable polymer processing accessible to smaller operations, educational institutions, and startup companies. It's perfect for those who want to experiment with different formulations and processes without the large-scale investment typically required for such capabilities.
That is our ball film line Mark II with a single screw recycling extruder in a nutshell. We hope this information has been helpful in understanding the process and its application in research, development, and sustainable manufacturing.
Here at Labtech Engineering, we also offer a variety of machines for compounding, film extrusion, and other polymer processing applications. You can visit our website at worldwideweb.labtechengineering.com or find us in our social media for more information. If you have any questions, you can email us at labtechengineering.com. We're always happy to help you find the right solution for your needs. Thank you for watching.